I just had somebody ask me a wonderful question about the best way to get motivated. And that's a good question. But a great question is, how can I maintain discipline? Motivation will get you started, but discipline is what's going to get you results. So rather than focus on, yes, how can I get fired up every single day, I would recommend you start to lay out the things that you need to do to have the best career, to have the best life, to have the best physical being every single day, and then write those out, track them every day, and make sure that you're staying disciplined, that you're staying on track. What calls do you make? How often do you need to work out? What type of food are you going to eat? Put yourself on a regimen of discipline, and the sky is the limit for how far you can go. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.